although we are here to make money, we should not make this money thinking about making money. We can't accept the market nothing but the price moving. And then it's up to your skills to execute good technical analysis, good trading skills. And this will give you the outcome, which will be possibly making money over time. So you can't sit at the screen and, okay, today I'll make some money. If you say to yourself that you'll make some money, first of all, you don't know if it will be true, because you may encounter losers, or the market will be in a shit mode and you will totally not understand it. But you're pushing yourself into a state of mind that whatever happens, you have to make money. And by whatever happens, it also means whatever the price does, I just have to make money. Okay, and it's not going to happen in most of the cases. So if you sit at your screen and, yeah, I will make money, then you will probably start losing it, because you will be forcing your opinion not on the market. You will be forcing your personal bias. You will be forcing your opinion, not only your opinion, but expectations on the market. You will start expecting from it to give you money, but I just don't care. And by forcing it, you will also start thinking in a way that you have to be right, because you have to be right to make money. Okay, just to make a good trade, you have to be right with it. Okay, with the overall concept at least. So this is like my thoughts about those clusters, which will happen in your career many times. Sometimes the market is in a fuck mode. It's like sometimes it will be consolidating and you're expecting a trending move, and because you carry on your expectations, you think, wow, it will trend. And although here this picture, it looked like a nice trending price action, and then it will go up. And what it actually did, it just started ranging, okay, and consolidating. With now you can see it clearly. It was kind of a let's say falling channel consolidation, triangle-ish, whatever. It was just consolidating here before the next spike. And if you think, when you're sitting, okay, on this movement I could have made so much money, and it looks bullish and it will do the same soon, and you start forcing your opinion, and you start trying to get anywhere but to get on this movement, you're just playing the moon mission again, forcing your opinion about trending market while it wants to consolidate, because it looks like it is working on some kind of a change of behavior, because we were in short-term downtrend, and it looks like it wants to break it slowly but steadily, like looking at the price action right now. So if you carried over the last 2 days your expectations about price action pumping, instead of just trading the current trading the current range, current consolidation, or just staying away from it and looking for the other assets,